Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to First Republic Bank application on your mobile device. So let's get started. To log into First Republic Bank application, you'll first need to download the application from your mobile store. Go ahead and tap open your App Store or your Play Store and in the search box type in First Republic Bank. After you make a search for it, look for this application and download the application on your mobile device. Once the download is done, tap on the Open button to launch open the app. The first interface of First Republic Bank will look like this. You'll be able to see the login area popping up on the display. To log into your existing account, type in your username and password in the respective text boxes. If you don't have a username yet, you'll need to tap on Don't Have a Username, Enroll Now link and follow through the on-screen prompts. To log into your existing account, type in your username associated with your online banking account in the first text box. After you are done, go to the next field where it says password and type in your password for your account. If you don't remember your password, tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. Finally, tap on the Sign In button and you'll be able to log into your First Republic mobile banking application right from your mobile device. Depending upon your bank's security settings, you may need to complete additional steps for authentication, such as providing a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number or your email address. You can also use the fingerprint or facial recognition if your device supports it. After doing that, you'll be able to log into your First Republic bank account online via mobile device. That is how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.